rugged, versatile, and accurate. These are the qualities built into every Betenbender hydraulic press brake. Now in our 5th decade in business, Betenbender Manufacturing Incorporated, located in Coggan, Iowa, continues to produce America's best-built and most reliable hydraulic press brakes and shears on the market today. Each Betenbender press brake features convenient operation for maximum output and ease of maintenance for maximum productivity. Whether you bend or punch plastic, steel, or other materials, there's a Betenbender hydraulic press brake to meet your needs. Betenbender press brakes are available in a wide variety of sizes, from the compact 20-ton press to the massive 550-ton press for heavy-duty applications. Presses range from 4 feet to 14 feet wide and utilize an open throat design for easy positioning of material that is wider than the actual press dies. The press brake bed features a machined flat surface with a 3/4 inch slotted receiver to accommodate standard die and tool holders. The bed face is machined down 4 inches in the front and 12 inches in the back for mounting brackets and support gauges. The ram is solid steel and is also slotted to accept standard dies. The clamping bar is sectional for positive tool clamping. The ram is also machined up to 4 inches to provide a flat area for mounting brackets and gauges. Betenbender's press brakes feature double-acting, piston-type steel cylinders with self-aligning hardened ball sockets and chromed rods. Cylinders are clevis-mounted to eliminate binding, which reduces the possibility of oil leaks. The pins and bushings do not rotate under load, resulting in low wear and longer life. The ram level is achieved by using 2 independent hydraulic systems, which keeps them parallel. Each of the American-made Vickers pumps, powered by ball-door motors, produces a working pressure of 2,500 psi for powerful and reliable performance. The 2 direct-drive cylinders have their own flow control, which allows the press to automatically level itself at the bottom of each stroke for consistent accuracy. In fact, the ram will self-level even if the hydraulic system is out of alignment, maintaining an accuracy of plus or minus 2/1000ths of an inch. The actual distance between the ram and the bed is monitored by precise bed reference controls, which assure repeatable performance. A micrometer adjustment on the control end allows for precise leveling of the ram. The 3-axis 24-inch slide and clamp back gauge is standard. Available options include a front-operated manual back gauge with hand wheel and mechanical readout, a front-operated power back gauge with digital readout, and Automec brand CNC back gauges with ram axis. All Betenbender presses utilize an electronically controlled 2-speed ram. The first speed positions the ram to meet the material being pressed. Once the ram has made contact, the second speed moves slowly to accurately press and bend the material. During the pressing cycle, limit switches precisely control the ram's bottom reversal point. On larger presses ranging from 95 to 550 tons, a 3-speed stroke control system allows the operator the choice of a fixed second speed or variable second speed. This helps prevent sudden whip-up of the work when bending longer materials. Betenbender's operator controls are simple yet flexible. For safety, the operator is always in control of the ram position. The press is activated by using either the optional palm controls, the jog down and jog up buttons, or the 3-position guarded line master foot switch. The 3-position foot switch provides ram down, ram hold, and ram up positions. Emergency stop and emergency up buttons are located on the operator station pedestal. For additional safety, we highly recommend the Pinnacle light curtain, which stops the ram cycle if the sensor detects obstructions too close to the bending operation. Maintenance and service of all Betenbender press brakes is a snap, thanks to the top-mounted manifold assembly system. This system not only saves space, but the convenient work height makes repair and replacement of parts much easier to perform. And to keep you up and running, Betenbender carries a full line of replacement parts that can be shipped overnight in most cases. Betenbender can also help you get the most from your equipment by building a custom press brake to fit your job and your budget. Options include increased throat gap and stroke length, Automec brand CNC back gauges, 24-inch support arms with disappearing stops, custom ram and bed machining, die rollover bars for easily rotating 4-way dies, one-shot lubrication system, which sends grease to all lubrication points at the same time, and a variable tonnage control, which allows the operator to quickly adjust from a lower tonnage for pressing lighter materials to the maximum rated tonnage of the machine. Every Betenbender machine meets all electrical and safety standards and is thoroughly inspected and tested before shipping. With features like open throat design, long full tonnage stroke, adjustable stroke length, and selectable speed combinations, Betenbender goes the extra mile to build a machine that works hard and works accurately for years to come. Like we always say, if it says Betenbender on the nameplate, you've got a machine that will do the job. To learn more about the Betenbender line of hydraulic shears, press brakes, and C-frame presses, contact Betenbender Manufacturing Incorporated. Financing options are available through Apex Capital LLC. When it comes to high-quality, dependable, American-made hydraulic equipment, no one beats a Betenbender.